Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this wall cabinet that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that you can use this for as a medicine cabinet. It is made of metal and it has a very large capacity, okay? So it includes all the pieces that you need to install it. All of the outside parts are made of metal, and only the crystal or transparent part, it is made of plastic. Okay, but I can tell you that it's a resistant plastic. Also, it includes some like all of the screws that you will be needing to put it together. Okay, so let's start with the installation of this, and following the instructions of the manual of instructions, of course. Here is how you will be installing it. So this is the first step. Just use the tools that are indicated in the manual and the screws as well. We are putting together here first the handle so you can open and close this door from the wall cabinet. Okay. Once that you have these ready, we will start putting together the sides with the part that goes in the middle that will like sustain it. Okay, so let's just put together all the screws here, and once that we have that part, we will add the back of the cabinet as well. It is really simple to put it together. As I was telling you, it includes all the tools that you need, and it is really simple to do it. Once that you have all the screws here, you will connect the bottom part of the cabinet. Once that everything is ready, you will need to go to the wall where you are going to put it and make the needed holes so you can actually install it. And once that you do it, you will start putting the plastic or parts that you will need to support these wall cabinets. Okay, so once that you do it, you will install this door right here. Okay, and now you will be installing that door. It is fairly easy to do it. You just need to push these parts right here, and then it will go get inside the cabinet. And this is how you will be open it. You can open it completely, just pushing the door through the inside of the cabinet like so. Okay, it has a very nice capacity and it is transparent, so you can see through it. Okay, now let's just install these parts that go in the wall that will be used to support the wall cabinet. Okay, you will be putting these like so, and these will be the hooks that will keep the weight of the cabinet. So make sure that you have tightened these very well so it is actually supporting the weight that you are putting it inside. So this is how we are using it, and it looks really amazing. It goes perfectly with our bathroom, and you can get it in black and in white. It looks really elegant and nice.